Today we are going to review ZoomInfo and talking about a question many sales professionals and business owners have to ask. Why do some people leave ZoomInfo and why do many eventually come back? If you work in B2B sales, lead generation, recruiting, marketing or business development, then you have probably heard of ZoomInfo. It is one of the most well known business intelligence and prospecting platforms available today. The platform helps users to find companies, decision makers, contact information, buying signal, and business data that can support sales and outreach efforts. But despite its popularity, ZoomInfo is not perfect. Some users leave the platform because of the pricing, complexity, or changing business needs. Interestingly, many of those some users they later return. In this video, we will look at both sides of the story and we will see whether ZoomInfo is actually worth it. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you discover useful software tools with special deals and discounts. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to get the special offers on sales and lead generation software. Because by using our description link, discounts will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's talk about why people start using ZoomInfo. The biggest reason is data. Finding accurate business contacts that can be difficult and time consuming. ZoomInfo provides access to a large database of companies, professionals, direct phone numbers, email addresses, organizational information, and other business intelligence. For sales teams, this can dramatically reduce the amount of time spent searching for prospects manually. Another major strength is advanced filtering. User can search for lead based on industry, company size, location, job title, technologies used, revenue estimates, hiring activity, and many other criteria. This makes prospecting much more targeted and efficient. ZoomInfo also includes intent data and buying signals. These features help businesses to identify companies that may already be researching certain products or services. Instead of contacting random prospects, sales teams can focus on companies showing signs of interest. For some organizations, this can improve outreach performance significantly. Now let's talk about why some users leave. The most common reason is pricing. ZoomInfo is generally positioned as a premium business intelligence platform. For small businesses, startups, freelancers, and solo entrepreneurs, the cost can feel difficult to justify. Many users initially leave because they believe they can achieve similar results using lower cost alternatives. Another reason is complexity. ZoomInfo includes many features, reports, filters, integrations, and data tools. New users sometimes feel overwhelmed when first time they are learning the platform. Businesses that only need basic prospecting may feel they are paying for features they rarely use. The data quality can also be a factor. While ZoomInfo is known for having a large database, no business database is perfect. Some users occasionally encounter the outdated information, job changes, or inaccurate contact details. This is a challenge faced by nearly every lead generation platform. Now, let's talk about why many people come back. The answer is usually efficiency. After trying alternative tools, many businesses realize that having a large amount of reliable business data in one place that saves a significant amount of time. Instead of combining multiple databases, enrichment tools, prospecting platforms, and research methods, ZoomInfo provides a more complete solution. Many sales teams also appreciate the integrations. The platform connects with CRM systems, outreach tools, marketing platforms, and sales workflows. This allows prospecting activities to fit smoothly into existing business process. As business grow, they often discover that the time savings and productivity gains that become more valuable than the subscription cost. This is one reason larger sales organizations frequently continue using ZoomInfo year after year. So, who should use ZoomInfo? The platform is often a strong fit for B2B sales teams, recruiters, agencies, marketing departments, and businesses that rely heavily on outbound prospecting. If your success depends on finding and contacting decision makers efficiently, ZoomInfo can be a very powerful tool. However, if you are a solo entrepreneur, small freelancer, or someone with limited prospecting needs, there may be more affordable options that provide enough functionality for your situation. So, is ZoomInfo worth it? For businesses that depend on high quality prospecting data and consistent lead generation, many users find the investment worthwhile. The reason some people leave is actually cost, and the reason many return is usually results. So that's it basically for today's video. Hope this review helped you to understand the strengths and weaknesses of ZoomInfo and why many professionals leave the platform only to come back later. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe this channel and check the link from description for special software offers and discounts. Thank you so much for watching Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.